William Beauty, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story home with spectacular water views of Lake William. Property also has 100 feet of water frontage. The largest and best lake in the area. Ideal for boating, swimming. This home is immaculate with all hardwood and ceramic floors. Beautifully landscaped grounds, city water, detached garage with loft. Home is fully finished on all 3 levels, with basement walkout.